Hi guys, welcome to the grid, the entrance, the portal. You're here after crossing all the stuff, right? So the grid.io is going to be, you're going to add content and it's going to design itself. It's a new kind of internet sensation AI website creation. So all you have to do is add content and it's going to design itself. And you see this amazing stuff that's coming over here. Those are the kind of designs that it's going to do, all the VFX for you. And it's been run by Molly, a new AI website designer. And you have this amazing pieces of content that is possible with the help of grid.io. So that is grid.io. This is the kind of sites that will be created using grid.io, and then you'll be able to share sites with amazing designs that you can't even imagine. So it's pretty good, right? So that is about the grid.io. I'm not going to show you grid.io today, but I'm going to show you something also similar to that, and which is, as the grid opens, as the entrance opens, you're going inside a cave, and the cave is going to be Firedrop.ai. So it's app.firedrop, Firedrop.ai. What is this about? This is about similar stuff like how get webs function, right? How get webs function, this is how Firedrop.ai functions. Let's look at how this works right now. So now, Firedrop is run by Sasha, which is a new kind of AI website, say designer. So all you have to do is talk to Sasha and it creates a site. So now, let's see. Good evening, what can I do for you? Hi, Sasha. I'm typing to Sasha, which should say hello. Cool. I want you to add a section in my website. I want you to add a section, and I want you to have some content ideas for this, and it's getting testimonials. Okay, fine. I want you to add testimonials for my website, and click on design it. Sasha, design some testimonials for me. So it's doing it. Wow, that was pretty cool. I can change the content I want by clicking on edit content. I can change that. You might have seen it from the previous bookmark kind of sites too. Now Sasha, what can you do, Sasha? Okay, I'm learning new skills. Change color palette. Okay, change color palette. So you have to talk to Sasha. She'll be able to do a lot of things. That is about Firedrop.ai's unique feature, right? So typically I would want to go to settings, and you can update the domain over here, and then you can add the SEO stuff here too. Now the best part before we move on to more Sasha features is this. So you can click on, say upgrade over here, and then you'll be able to see this is like a ton of web pages, right? You'll be able to make unlimited web pages using Sasha, right? Sasha will help you to create unlimited web pages. Now all you can do is, that is the best part of Sasha, right? So you can choose find images if you want a particular image, and I want an image of a cat, or say a businessman. I can do that. I don't want cats, by the way. So searching businessman images, Sasha is searching for businessman images, and I want this image. Click on an image, and that image will be added to my library. That is pretty cool, right? That is how Sasha functions. And now I can click on this, right? If I would want, to say change this image, click on edit. And then I would want to change the content, Sasha, and I would want to change the image, Sasha. Click on Sasha's featured image, and then the image we have chosen is here, and click on use image, and you see the image has automatically come. Then I can click on update, right? So this is the power of Sasha. So you'll be able to say create amazing stuff using Sasha, which is the AI website designer. I've just added sample content over here, all that's test content. So all the the content which is here is all test content. Okay, so nothing is like real. Okay, cool. So then you can click on this for, I think you'll be able to see a website preview by clicking on the Firedrop, so we can see the full website preview, and then you can go back there and ask Sasha to do a lot of things. So this is pretty amazing. Thank you, Sasha, for helping me to come up with this Great website. It says hi now. Cool. Click on the help section anytime you can. Okay, and it's an intelligent chatbot. Sasha is learning a new things, right? It is able to do the layout rearrangement. It's going to do the font rearrangement. Just ask her to change the fonts, ask her to change the layouts. Is able to do a lot of things. Let me try the last one for layouts. Change layout. Sasha, just a sec, it's telling me something. So now Sasha, new layout applied. My god, that's pretty cool. Where did you see the layout? You can add a section here, add below. Yes, one more section added. Cool. Then content areas, and then you can click on design it. I hope you enjoyed this class too with Firedrop.ai and Sasha. Thank you. More stuff, more cool stuff is going to come, because in the next lecture I'm going to tell you how you can create a chatbot like Sasha herself. Let's see it coming up next. Thank you so much.